Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying basics. Check RPM, QRPM, and your kernel because mismatched tooling breaks integrity. Once done, make a backup of /var/lib/rpm and your config files. This preserves your state if you must roll back. Next, run yum history or DNF history to identify the problematic transaction. This tells you which package caused corruption. While you prepare, escalate to root or use sudo so commands run correctly. Doing these steps first avoids avoidable failures later. You must stop any package manager to avoid concurrent writes. Stop package kit and kill stray yum or DNF processes. Once quiescent, run rpm rebuilddb to rebuild the RPM database. This repairs index corruption. After rebuild, verify with rpm-ca and rpm-va to detect missing or altered files. These commands show what still needs work. If rpm rebuilddb fails, restore the backup of /var/lib/rpm or carefully copy the packages and db files from a. You finish by reinstalling any packages that show file mismatches. Use yum reinstall or DNF reinstall so metadata and files align. If metadata is broken, download the RPMs and run rpm replace bkgs replace files of to force corrective installs. This restores binaries and manifests. Once complete, run a final rpm-va and a yum clean, all followed by yum make cache to ensure consistency and cache health. If things go wrong, check /var/log/yum, log or journoctl for the precise error message. It points to the underlying cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.